Welcome to Review Rumble. The best dry erase erasers is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for anyone who uses a whiteboard, whether for brainstorming sessions, classroom teaching, or simply jotting down daily reminders. And today we're diving deep into what makes a great eraser stand out from the rest, ensuring your writing surfaces stay pristine and your ideas flow uninterrupted. Number 5. IMPRESA Magnetic Whiteboard Eraser. Tired of struggling to erase your whiteboard? Our magnetic eraser makes cleaning up a breeze. Its premium felt surface effortlessly wipes away dry erase marker ink, leaving your board spotless. Never lose your eraser again. The built-in magnetic feature keeps it securely attached to your whiteboard. It's always within reach when you need to make a quick correction. Experience a comfortable grip with its modern, contoured design. This allows for precise erasing, even on large surfaces. It's perfect for use on a variety of dry erase boards. From melamine to glass, this versatile tool is your go-to for any dry erase board. It ensures a spotless surface, no matter the material. Get reliable performance every time. We are passionate about creating well-designed products that inspire. Trust you brands for innovative and stylish solutions for your workspace. What we like. This eraser offers effortless erasing with its premium felt surface. Its magnetic feature keeps it handy on any whiteboard. If you're a teacher or presenter who values convenience and a clean board, you should consider this. What people say. The felt surface does a fantastic job of erasing marker residue without leaving streaks. Even stubborn marker marks come off quickly and cleanly, making it perfect for both home and office use. It feels lightweight but sturdy, so it's comfortable to use for extended periods. Sleek design. I love the look of it on my whiteboard. It adds a clean and modern touch. Number 4. Mr. Pen 120 Pack Pencil Top Erasers. Introducing the Mr. Pen 120 Pack of Pencil Top Erasers. These high-quality, colorful caps are designed to fit all standard pencils. Experience clean erasing with these latex-free eraser caps. They are designed to reduce smudging, ensuring your work stays neat. Our erasers work without scratching or tearing your paper. You can rely on them for a smooth and gentle erasing experience. These eraser caps are designed to fit all standard pencils with ease. Simply place them on top and you're ready to go. Easily remove pencil marks with these effective erasers. They make corrections simple and efficient, leaving no trace behind. Get 120 high-quality erasers in a variety of vibrant colors. They are perfect for students, artists, and anyone who uses pencils. What we like. This is a bulk pack of high-quality, latex-free erasers designed to fit standard pencils. They erase cleanly without smudging or tearing paper. If you need a large supply of reliable erasers for everyday pencil use, especially for students, this is a great choice. What people say. The eraser is a good size and fits comfortably in your hand. It erases cleanly and leaves no residue. The felt material is durable and holds up well to frequent use. Number 3. Mr. Pen Magnetic Dry Erase Markers, 8-pack. Discover the ultimate writing tool with our magnetic dry erase markers. This pack comes with 8 vibrant colors to bring your ideas to life. Each marker features a built-in eraser on the cap, offering unparalleled comfort and efficiency. No more searching for a separate eraser. Experience precision like never before with the fine tip. It's perfect for highlighting key information and detailed writing. These markers are designed for versatility, working flawlessly on whiteboards, glass, and other non-porous surfaces. Unleash your creativity anywhere. Enjoy effortless cleanup. They wipe away cleanly from any dry erase surface, leaving no trace behind. Get yours today. What we like. This set includes 8 magnetic dry erase markers in assorted colors, each with a convenient eraser on the cap. The fine tip allows for precise writing and highlighting. If you're looking for a complete, compact set for quick notes or brainstorming on magnetic whiteboards, this is ideal. What people say. The eraser is effective at cleaning whiteboards. It is a good size and comfortable to hold. The felt material is durable and holds up well to frequent use. Number 2. Mr. Pen Magnetic Dry Erase Erasers, 8-pack, assorted colors. Introducing the Mr. Pen Magnetic Dry Erase Erasers, a pack of 8 essential tools for your writing needs. They come in 4 assorted colors, adding a touch of vibrancy to your workspace. Designed for comfort, these erasers fit perfectly in your hand. Their ideal dimensions make them easy to grip and maneuver for effortless erasing. Never lose your eraser again. These erasers feature a magnetic backing, allowing for convenient attachment directly to your whiteboard. Keep them handy and ready for use. Whether you're at home, in the office, or at school, these erasers are the perfect companion. They are ideal for a wide range of environments and applications. Experience smooth and effective erasing on all your dry erase surfaces. They work exceptionally well on melamine, painted steel, porcelain, glass, and more. What we like? You get a pack of 8 magnetic whiteboard erasers in assorted colors, perfect for home, office, or school. They are a convenient size and attach easily to your board. If you need multiple erasers for different users or locations and like having them readily accessible, this pack is a practical option. What people say. The erasers I received are very magnetic and the felt erases without skips or smears. Easy to hold, erases well, sticks to board. They are super lightweight and thin, not bulky like most dry erasers, colors are nice, and does not fall off of dry erase board. Number 1. IMPRESA Magnetic Dry Erase Erasers Bulk. Introducing IMPRESA's Magnetic Dry Erase Erasers, your essential tool for classrooms, offices, and home. This bulk pack ensures you always have a clean surface ready. These erasers feature a strong magnetic backing that easily adheres to any magnetic surface. Keep them conveniently attached to whiteboards, refrigerators, or filing cabinets for instant access. Crafted from durable felt, they provide superior performance in removing marker and chalk residue. Maintain pristine writing surfaces with every use. Their 2-inch square shape is perfectly sized for comfortable handling by both children and adults. They work effectively on all standard and mini dry erase boards. Designed for ease of use, their ergonomic grip makes them ideal for lessons and presentations. Their lightweight and magnetic nature makes them a dynamic addition to any workspace. What we like? This is a bulk pack of 12 magnetic dry erase erasers with durable felt for effective marker removal. Their strong magnetic backing ensures they stay put on any magnetic surface. If you need a reliable, long-lasting supply of erasers for a classroom or busy office environment where easy access is key, this is a solid pick. What people say. The eraser is effective at cleaning whiteboards. It's a good size and comfortable to hold. The felt material is durable and doesn't shed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.